What's up, everybody? It's Nate with Sonic Electronix, and I'm here with Derek, the Director of Integration, to continue our talk on the Punch D series speakers. We've already went over the P2 and P3 today. We're going to go over the P1. Now, here's the thing. It's no drop in power, right?
No.
It's all application. Yeah. He's made me memorize that, baby. It's application specific. Derek, explain where the P1 coaxials fit in this great application-driven line.
Okay. So these are for a vehicle that comes in that has, in general, factory speaker locations only in the door. There's no other speakers in the vehicle besides maybe rear speakers in the rear doors or back deck. So what this is a coaxial system. They range in sizes from the little tiny, this is an actual three-way speaker. This is a 2.5-inch driver, all the way up to the 6x9 and everything in between.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And so we've got 2.5-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, 4x6, 5.25, 6, 6.5, 6 3/4, 6x8, and 6x9s.
So, wow. Like the P2 and P3, these things are all constructed of composite material, no mixed spiders. It has Sanaprine surrounds, vast 2.0 technology. I want to talk about this little tweeter configuration a little more. We call this a co-witness tweeter, so this is patent pending. So these things actually work in tandem with one another to achieve a very, very nice sound and an even dispersion pattern while it's in phase. A lot of other people are mounting this little piezo tweeter off to the side. The reason we're doing this way again is to make them cooperate and focus the sound where it's going to be enjoyable.
Yeah. So earlier we talked about the larger cone surface area, and that theme continues with all of the punchline. Just for the sake of a user watching only the coaxial video for their application, can we go ahead and explain that one more time to the users here?
So we use a technology, it's patented technology called VAST 2.0, and what that does is it actually gives you approximately 25% more cone area throughout the line. Now that is common to the entire punch lineup from P1, P2, and P3. Absolutely no difference whatsoever. So a speaker is essentially a pump. The larger pump you have, the more it can push. In the speaker, you can get better bass, further extension with our 6.5s than most of the competitors in the market.
That's awesome technology. And again, one of the other things we didn't show off with this P1 video, but you should check out our P3 video, is just the overall flip side of the product, right? In depth with the way you guys have made it. I don't want to say water resistant without speaking out of turn on that, but just making it.
We're trying to make it more reliable in the real world.
Yes.
You know, and that's why we do it. If you could see what we do to speakers, we torture test them 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. It is really incredible the amount of torture and technology we put in before we release a product as a company.
And these guys really have a massive R&D and engineering department that he gets to have fun with day in, day out, making you the coolest products day in, day out, month after month, year after year. Thank you so much, Derek. Appreciate it.